plus pesto pasta perfection. An easy weekend meal that'll be ready in 20 minutes. Throw some shrimp in the pan, add a little pesto and some pasta. Bam, you've got dinner on the table in 20 minutes.
It's a recipe from lifestyle architect Randy Altig, who is also a dairy-free dessert. Got it with him. He keeps it in his pocket.
Look at you two.
We're all
Who are you two?
Okay, let's do a quick toast because we've got to get into this fabulous recipe.
Couldn't
be a better day.
How long have y'all known each other? Come on, how many years?
10?
15.
Maybe 15.
Maybe 15.
Maybe. We had a couple of children together. It's another story, but anyway.
Yeah. Hi, kids.
Yes.
Okay, Kathie, go ahead and put our pasta in.
Yes, baby, I will do it.
So your ingredient grid looks very basic.
It is. It's just Italian ingredients.
Okay. He has a villa in Tuscany, his family.
He does.
Yeah.
Yes,
okay,
that's where he learned how to cook.
Yeah,
we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some shrimp in here.
So you take the tail off?
The tail's off. You want the tail off, and you also want, while the pasta's cooking, which will take about 8 minutes, you want these shell tails off. And if you can also use them, like if you get a frozen shrimp. So they don't have to be
right.
But do you personally devein them?
You can get them deveined.
We'll talk later. Yes, of course.
nothing more fun than deveining a shrimp.
Nothing more fun.
And by the way, these things cook so fast, and you got to be careful.
Be careful. Don't overcook.
Yeah, baby.
We're going to put a little of this in.
What is that?
I've got oregano.
Oregano, and what else? What's the other stuff? Pepper?
No,
you don't know.
Basil, dried basil. Yeah, I know. Okay. We're going to put some salt. We're going to put some pepper.
Kosher or sea salt?
Put the pepper in.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Smell how good it smells.
All right. So then you're going to, there you go. Okay, now we have, cook those a little bit.
Okay, look at these, Kath.
I know, I already stole one before.
What we're going to do here.
What are we doing?
Here's the secret. We're going to put some of the pesto in.
Pesto in the pasta?
In here.
Oh, in here.
Yep.
Okay. All right, it seems very basic. The whole thing?
Yeah, go.
What?
Go.
You're crazy. You're crazy. I know, but that's a lot.
That's why it's, really.
Okay.
Now, do you make your own pesto? Do you do store-bought's awfully good these days?
Well, you can if you're, and some Kalamata olives.
You put the whole thing?
A few. Okay. And then throw in a little bit of your pasta. You can also put a little pasta water in if you'd like.
Sorry, I wasn't thinking.
What have you done?
Nothing. I did nothing.
She did nothing.
Okay, so I drop pasta in and some pasta water. Why the pasta?
Just to give it a little moisture, right? And it'll cook off.
There you go.
Right?
Go ahead. There you go.
Good girl, Kathie.
You're welcome.
These are all the colors of the Italian flag. I mean, it couldn't be a better day than being in the kitchen with two of my favorite ladies.
Look at this. This is so simple.
Hey, Randy, is this a family recipe from your days in the villa, or did you just
put pesto in with some pasta?
Am I missing something?
Hoda, we got to break this down.
Okay, come on.
Let's move over here.
We've been on the air for 4 hours every day.
Here we go. Kathie, you're done with the shrimp.
I know.
Okay.
It's on a low heat.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a little Parmesan cheese, a little Italian parsley, and then a couple cherry tomatoes.
Where have those fingers been? Did you wash before we started this?
I am so washed. You have no idea. I am baptized.
Don't embarrass your mother, okay?
Okay.
That is so
now I have a secret for you.
What?
It's behind us. We got to go around the corner.
Oh, I want to eat a bite of this. Can I take it with me, please?
Yes, please. It's traveling pasta.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Hoda, for you, dairy-free chocolate mousse. Absolutely, made with avocados.
Okay.
Come on.
All right.
There we go. So you put your avocados in, and then you put in your Kathie. Kathie, get over here.
What is that white
This
stuff?
is coconut cream.
Coconut cream.
Okay.
Okay.
Hoda can't have that.
It's coconut cream.
It's coconut. It's coconut.
And then what's that? Honey? She's not listening. She doesn't care.
I'm
She's eating
choking to death on a shrimp.
Okay, and you're going to put in your cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Go
Okay.
ahead.
Got it.
And then a little vanilla. Yeah.
All right.
Go ahead and put that in.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do,
that looks like something else. Is that molasses? What is that?
No. It's a vanilla paste.
Oh, paste.
Yeah,
okay, got it.
We'll put that on and give it a quick pulse there. There you go. And that's it.
That's it?
Nope. Now we're going to put in our
What's that?
melted chocolate.
Now we're talking.
Okay, there's no milk in that.
Okay,
there you go.
got it.
What happened to that diet we were going to start?
Oh, you can't. Kathie, guess what? With this, you get a serving of vegetables.
We get an avocado with it.
Absolutely, with your dessert. Okay.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. I'm out.
Okay, well, anyway, we'll leave that alone. But
so buzz.
There we go.
Use your imagination.
Okay, wait. So here's the coconut cream. What you want to do when you get it in the can is make it really cold so that the cream, the fat is on top, and that's what you whip up with the with the confectioner's sugar.
So this is the coconut cream top?
It's fabulous.
Coconut cream.
And then what I do,
you put a little
I put it on top of the chocolate mousse.
Oh, is that good?
Like this. Put a little bit of orange zest. And then
a candied, adorable little candy.
A candied violet.
by the way.
And you can put some chocolate sprinkles if you want.
That's really good.
Thank you,
You love
sweetie.
it?
I can't
Hoda.
believe that's avocado based. I'm shocked.
Oh my gosh,
a serving of vegetables. I mean, you gotta feel good when you're eating your dessert, right? At least you're not gonna feel guilty.
It's delicious, sweetie.
Thank
so
you
good
so
to see
much.
you.
Randy.
To get
Good to
these
see you.
recipes,
Thank you.
go to today.com/food.
We'll be back right after
Can they
this.
follow you on a website or
They
something?
can. MaximumLiving.live.
There you go. That's all you need to know.
These are
Isn't that
awesome.
good?
Really good. Thank you, Randy. Up next week, Oscar-winning actor J.K. Simmons. He'll be here with us.
Oh, he's fabulous. And we're going to get cooking with actress and Food Network host, and we adore her, Valerie Bertinelli.
Plus, you know what, Derek Huff, he's going to be here with a sneak preview of that great show called World of Dance.
Oh, I love that.
Come on, Randy.
Yeah.
Plus Patton Oswalt, Christina Hendricks, and Kristen Cavallari.
We got it. Bobby's Red Carpet remix after the Oscars.
Have an awesome weekend, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Randy says bye.